Let's solve a system of three equations. To do this, it's going to be very important that we keep track of all of the equations. So I'm going to number them to make it a little bit easier for us. I'm also going to do it in a separate color, so hopefully that will help us keep it straight where everything goes. So let's first, we're going to do elimination. I'm going to eliminate the z variable first, and I have to do it two equations at a time. So I'm going to do equations 1 and 2, and then I'm going to do equations 2 and 3 to eliminate those variables. So I'm going to take equation 1 first. And again, I'm keeping track of them simply by denoting which equation they are. And equation 2. And remember, we are eliminating the z variable. Now, in order to eliminate the z variable, if a 2 is here, then I need a negative 2 here. So I'm going to multiply that first equation by positive 2. And that leaves me with everything in this equation getting multiplied by 2. So 6x plus 4y minus 2z equals 22. Equation 2, I'm not going to change at all. I'm just going to rewrite it. If you want to put times 1, that would be fine. Okay, and then I'm going to add these two equations together. It gives me 8x plus 3y. Notice the z's are going away, equals 19. We're going to call this equation 4. All right, now we're going to do the same thing, eliminating variable z from equations 2 and 3. So we're going to use equation 2 and equation 3. I'm going to be sure and label them. All right, now in order to eliminate the z's, if there is a 2 here, I need a negative 2 here. So I'm going to multiply equation 3 by a positive 2. Equation 2, I'm going to leave just like it is. Equation 3, every term in here is going to be multiplied by a positive 2. So I've got 2x plus 6y minus 2z equals 16. And we're going to go ahead and add these equations together just like we did previously. So 2x plus 2x is 4x. Negative y plus 6y gives me 5y. Notice the z's cancel, and it equals 13. We're going to call this equation number 5. All right, now that we've done the groundwork to eliminate one variable, we're going to take equations 4 and 5 and eliminate a variable. So I'm going to create us some space here. I'm going to bring back equation number 4, which was 8x plus 3y equals 19. Again, that's equation number 4. And I'm going to use equation number 5. And I can eliminate either variable here. It looks like it's a little bit easier to eliminate the x variable. So I'm going to need a negative 8 here since there is a positive 8 in equation number 4. So I'm going to multiply equation number 5 by negative 2. And I'm going to leave equation 4 alone. So equation 4 stays just like it is. Equation 5, I'm multiplying by negative 2. So I've got negative 8x plus negative 10y equals negative 26. And again, we're going to add these two equations together. When we add them, notice the x's go away. We did that by design. That's why we eliminated the x. And that gives me negative 7y equals negative 7. Voila! That's pretty easy to solve. I can divide both sides by negative 7. I get y is 1. All right, now you're going to work backwards. Now that you have one value, well, we're going to work backwards. So you're going back to equation 5 or equation 4. You can choose whichever one you want. I'm going to go with equation 5 here. And equation 5 was 4x plus y, 5y equals 13. And now I know that y is 1. So I'm going to plug in 1 for y. And I'm going to solve for x. So I've got 4x plus 5 equals 13. Go ahead and subtract your 5. That'll give you 4x equals 8, and x is 2. All right, now that you have not one but two values, you've got x and y, now you're going all the way back to the top. You're going to use either any of equations 1, 2, or 3. I'm going to pull equation number 3. Again, you could choose any of them. It doesn't matter. And you're going to use these values you know. You know that x is 2. You know that y is 1. So we plug them in. 2 plus 3 times 1 minus z equals 8. All right, so I've got 2 plus 3 minus z equals 8. So 2 plus 3 is 5 minus z equals 8. You can subtract 5 from both sides. That leaves you with negative z equals 3. So that means that z must be negative 3. Now that you have all three values, be sure and write your solution as an order triple. Alphabetical order for your solution.